Right, so Dave's finished the exhaust. It's started up now in the background. It's so loud, but it's already smoking because we put two-stroke mix in it, which apparently is a thing you do with the Mazda RX8. So it's already smoking. But from cold, it's already popping and banging. That's loud. Oh wow, you can see the heat coming off it already. It's only been on for 30 seconds. I got sprayed by pieces of something.
That's strip metal, probably from the welding.
So the dual exhausts are gone. We've gone to a single and it's loud, which we like. I want how long till it braps?
You know how hot that is. So rotaries,
wow.
rotaries are absolutely inefficient.
Feel how hot that is immediately. That's going to melt the bumper, Dave.
Yeah.
Is that why the bumper's off? Oh, there, here comes the smoke.
That's the two-stroke remix.
Oh, so this is normal now.
Yes, this is it now.
Oh, there's more pieces of metal flying off and hitting me. Yes, I like it. Good job, Dave.